Starting around 02 August 2023, torrential slide fundamentally is exchanging at $12.60 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very critical. Avax sort of has a very all-out market cap of $4,360,453,319, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,955,532, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This makes torrential slide, Avax, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital money market, which especially is genuinely critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide in a real sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Which especially is genuinely critical. Is torrential slide a kind of wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Will Avax cost truly outperform its record-breaking essentially high in an all things considered enormous way? These in every practical sense are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in an essentially huge manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Avax cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a truly normal value level of $14.49. The normal really least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be $13.85, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, Avax can especially arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $16.26. Avax value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is determined to really be at around a base worth of $12.11. The torrential slide value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely limit of $13.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value estimate September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023, may by and large arrive at a very least worth of $13.14, while the especially greatest gauge cost truly is around $14.30, showing how starting around 02 August 2023 torrential slide for the most part is exchanging at $12.60 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a genuinely enormous manner. The exceptionally normal cost for Avax in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach $13.65 in September 2023, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide sort of is supposed to generally be at around at least $13.29, showing how the kind of typical cost for Avax generally is in a real sense anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $13.65 in September 2023, which certainly is very critical. Torrential slide cost can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally limit of $14.85. With the kind of typical cost of $13.93 in United States dollars incredibly. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for torrential slide could in every practical sense stretch around $15.55. Further appearance how torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Avax cost truly is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $14.49. The normal truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the really current year ought to fundamentally be $13.85 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 generally is $13.57, with a typical cost of $14.20, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost generally is supposed to reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the typical cost of Avax for the December especially remains around $14.49. Avalanche in every practical sense past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been especially diminished by 0.36% in its really current worth in an essentially huge manner. Assuming we truly analyze the very current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Torrential Slide especially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, so starting around 02 August 2023 Torrential Slide by and large is exchanging at $12.60 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in very most recent 60 minutes. Which is genuinely huge. The Avax really is down to nearly 4.93% over the most recent 7 days, which sort of is genuinely critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past sort of couple of days. The coin could explicitly have areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't especially feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment. Which fundamentally shows that Avax has an exceptionally complete market cap of $4,360,453,319, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,955,532 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax especially diminished by 40.695%. Wiping out an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $8.64 from its ongoing worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be an especially decent explicitly purchase and open door for genuinely speedy venture. So Torrential Slide, Avax, Value Expectation 2023. As per the Torrential Slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Avax value sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a truly normal value level of $14.49. The normal especially least value worth of Torrential Slide toward the finish of the very current year ought to generally be $13.85. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 29.19%. And the cost especially circled from an essentially least kind of typical cost of $16.54 to fundamentally most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost of $18.27 in the beyond 90 days, which truly is genuinely huge. In most recent 4 months Torrential Slide has shown a developing pattern in a by and large significant manner. In this manner, we generally feel that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, showing how starting around 02 August 2023 Torrential Slide essentially is exchanging at $12.60 in